great ways to make affiliate marketing work for you. Don't be intimidated by the complexity of affiliate marketing approaches. If you take the time to learn the ropes, your bottom line will greatly improve. The tips in this video will help you try to avoid this. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Catering directly to a product's market is the best way an affiliate can make a sale. Since affiliates work off of sales commissions, there is an inclination to try to market the product to as large an audience as possible, but this is a failing formula. Stick with the niche market and promote the product strongly. Remember that as an affiliate, it is only your job to drive someone to a company's product. It is not your job to sell the product. If you attempt to sell the product and advertise it at the same time, you may end up losing more commissions than you gain. Allow the company to do the selling. By now, you have probably discovered that affiliate marketing isn't as complex as it first appeared to be. The investment of time into the more involved areas of affiliate marketing, such as research and networking, are certainly well worth your efforts. You should have better affiliate marketing results when using the tips above. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.